Alright, so today's project is to replace the main headlight bulb. If you have, say, my error message here, you can see the little headlight, the arrow pointing up. This has happened to me at around about 54,000 miles. I'm going to use the Osram bulb that I got off of online there somewhere. I think I bought this one from Bulbs, some bulb store out of New York. It was like 45 bucks. Going to use a 27 millimeter socket. And what we're going to do is we're simply going to pry this BMW logo off. I've already done it to expedite the video. You can see there's a little snap-in thing and it snaps right into the circle. So this just pops out. I just used a sharp knife to get in there and do it. So next we're going to remove the center bolt. Like I said, 27 millimeter. And it's going to be tight because I think they use Loctite. Alright, 27 millimeter wrench with some extensions. We're going to give this a good tug. I imagine it's pretty tight. And it looks like there's some Loctite on the screw. Bolt, pardon me, on the bolt. Alright, so the bolt and the washer is off. And as I look down in here, I can see that this shaft that this handlebars fit on is, it's serrated. So GoPro's doing weird things here. So I put a little dot at the very top, like 12 o'clock position, lined up with that slot in the shaft. I'm not sure. I've never done this before, first time, so I'm trying to think that I got to make sure I get the handlebars in the same place so that so they're not crooked. All right, let's see what goes on now. We'll take the handlebars off next. Okay, I've got the handlebars on the gas tank laying on a towel, and I can see the cap back there that we have to remove. Remember, I don't do this professionally, guys, so this is just a GoPro and a flashlight. But there it is. We got to remove that cap. I guess we just twist that off. It's off. It's a little tight, squeezing your hands in there. There's a nice rubber gasket on the back. You can see the two little tabs. This little serrated things here, they seem to be at like the 11 o'clock position when I took this off. Anyway, we'll carry on. We'll see what else we run into here. Alright, so my first attempt failed. What I'm finding out with these keyless rides is that we don't have a lot of cable, so to try and move the handlebars out of the way and trying to get your hand in there, at least for me, I have pretty good sized hands. I just took off the front brake, and that's allowed me to move the handlebars over and get a little more space. So I got the new one in. See that bale wire that goes over that thing? You have to squeeze your fingers in below that, and you'll feel it with your finger. The trick is you push towards the front of the bike and then shift it to the left. So push down and to the left, and it will unhook. Easier to take it out than it is to put it in, because you can't touch the bulb with your hands. But anyway, I got it back in, and yeah, that's actually the hardest part, is getting that thing in, at least for me, because I got fat fingers. So anyway, carry on. The washer in there and the nut. The torque spec is 66 foot-pounds or 90 newton meters. The other thing you want to be kind of careful of is there's a little plastic ring on the top of the frame stem here. You won't be able to see it, but make sure you've got it centered over the, you'll see it, the little plastic ring that's underneath this thing.